The glute fiber is lower on the right side.
Oh.
Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next video.
Okay, I'm gonna do a temperature evaluation and back up my fingers. Tender?
It hurts so good.
I'm gonna palpate your SI joints. Do you have any tenderness when I push here? Any tenderness on the side?
No.
In the lumbar spine. Most at L5.
Oh.
Yeah. Good. Bring them back together. Okay, apart. Good. No movement over here. Okay, back. I do just the left side. Okay, so looking at left SI joint, a little bit of tenderness there, a little bit of restriction. To measure. The glute fiber is lower on the right side. And then looking from the top, they're pretty even there. So that means your right hip is either gone backwards or your left hip is gone forward. Okay, so no thoracic curvature to speak of. There's no rib humping. Let your head relax completely. Good, but I can see just slightly accentuated left lumbar scoliosis going. Right short stays short, so that points to the left SI joint as well. That's good. Just sinking in, the whole shoulder sink in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, coming up just a little bit. 2 more segments up. Right on top of this postural curve here. So let's do that again. Deep breath in. Good, and out. Good, sinking in. Let it all go. Okay, this one's a little bit different. This time you're going to take a deep breath in. Then at the top of your breath, as you breathe out, that's what I'm going to push, okay? Okay, let that one go. We'll do it on the next breath. Let the shoulders sink in. Shoulders relax. Let's see. All right, let's do it this way. Go ahead and bring your belly button up to your spine. Good. Good, hold that.
Oh.
The blocks. All right, I'm gonna pop this up here like this. This is the birthmark.
That's a burn.
And out. Good. Good.
Oh.
Good. We're gonna adjust the L5 here on the right. Okay, so you're doing good. I'm gonna bring your hips down. Same thing. Let's do that one more time in. Good, and out. Good, shoulders relaxed. Okay, there's more. Hold on. That was deep. Okay, let's do this. Go ahead and turn your head to the right. Back to center. Turn your head to the left. Center. Bring your right ear down to your shoulder. Center. Left ear down to your shoulder. Close your eyes. I'm going to bring your head to like right about there, Jade, and then let your head sink in. Good. And then I'm just going to follow your breath, and then we're going to push like that, okay? Let's get your right side adjusted now. Same thing, just following your breath. Just let your shoulders relax.
Am I dropping this way?
No. Just let me do it. You don't have to. All you have to do. All you have to do is breathe.
Stick a fork in me, I'm done. Wow.
We're not done yet.
I know, but... I love it.
Almost.
Oh!
Just one more. Let this relax. Let your foot relax. Let your hand, let your leg relax.
Oh, trying to.
Okay, I'm gonna adjust your ankle. I'm gonna pull it down in this direction.
Oh.
One more. Good.
Oh.
Good. Go ahead and squeeze.
Ow.
Let's get it. Cecal valve, okay?
Okay.
Okay, this is the window between the large and the small intestine. We locate it first by finding the ASIS here, and then the belly button here. Okay, then we connect these 2 points. Right in the middle is where we start looking for the ileocecal valve. Yours is there.
Oh.
Okay, that's fine.
I was like, oh, that one there. Tickled.
Okay, and then the next thing is a diaphragm release. Okay, so a lot of times when you have GERD, G-E-R-D, a lot of GERD cases have tension here in this area. This is very stiff. Pretty good, but you can do better. Go ahead and push your belly all the way out. Yeah, okay, now relax it. Now push your belly out and breathe in at the same time. That's the belly breath. Out. Suck your belly in towards the spine. Good. Good. Keep doing it. Deep belly breath.
Oh my gosh.
Belly. Keep going. In. Belly. Pull your belly towards your spine. Good. Into your belly. Okay, so this is a full spine adjustment. I'm going to use this towel. You okay with this like that? All right, we're going to use this around here like this. All right, I'm going to follow your breath as you breathe out. We're going to pull in this direction, and at the end, we give a little pull, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's give it a try. Go take a deep breath in. Now.
Oh my god. Oh wow. I don't know how to describe how that feels like. We're feeling it, Mr. Krabs up here. But wow. We're doing the thing. Yeah, wow. I feel like a lot in here, but unless that's just all of like the pressures from it shifting.
Yeah, that's okay to feel it up there. That part of your spine doesn't move very often.
Okay.
And there's a lot of stagnation in the ligaments and the muscles and the joints, so we just moved stuff that has never moved before.
Yep. Guess if that pop that I was telling you about could even happen.
Try it.
It won't work. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, if that's how you pop it, then that means you're popping a base posterior sacrum, which we took care of in the first. That was the first pop that happened. We got many layers deeper than that.
Oh my gosh. That is amazing.
Ken? Push. Oh! Okay, let this relax. Let your hands relax. Okay, I'm going to reach around the front here, Jade, like this. Lean forward. Good. We're going to just pull this up. Forward.